everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be doing this look inspired by David Bowie. I just think David Bowie, like everybody else on the planet, amazing musician, artist, gender bending, one of the coolest people. So I wanted to do a look that I really like. This is a little bit more amped up, but you can definitely tone it down for like an everyday look. It's all about like blush placement, a little bit of liner, and not a lot of products. Goes pretty quick. So if you like what you see, please continue to watch, like and subscribe. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Fenty Beauty. This is the black. I'll list all of the products in the description, but just to rim out the inner membrane, see it on the top and the bottom. It's called Bowl of Cherries. This is from Beauty Bakery. Gorgeous. This is a pretty fast drying lip product, so I mix in a little bit of the Bare Minerals Free. Just mix that on the back of my hand. You can use a cream blush, but I find I like to use one product for more than one purpose, so I'm going to use the lip as the cheek. Start off close to the eye, the outer corner, and you're just gonna bring it to about probably where your iris ends. Bring that into the hairline. Don't worry if it gets a little out of control, because you can just go over it with your foundation to blend it, and then with your finger you're gonna blend that down. And like I said, don't worry if it's not completely perfect, because you're just going to go over it with other products. This is just the first step. Just get that shape. Then I use a black cream liner. You can use whatever one that you like. Get the cat hair off of your brush before you apply it to your eye. And I'm using the cream liner because it's a little bit smoother and it's easier to play with. You have a little bit more time and it goes a lot faster. And just fill in your whole lid. You want it darkest towards the lash line, and then as the products disperse, it'll get lighter and lighter as you head into your crease. I always find if you start with a little bit and just keep on adding, it's not so overwhelming. I'm going to take a fluffy brush that doesn't have anything on it, or it shouldn't. It may have a little bit of something because all my brushes are dirty. And that also helps to blend out any hard lines. Then with a smaller fluffy brush, you're going to add in a black eyeshadow. I'm mainly applying it to the outer corner just to keep that nice and dark. Just run that a little bit under the lashes as well. I'm going to take a silver eyeshadow with a firm brush. And I'm just applying it to the inner corner. Fluffy brush that you used to apply the black just kind of diffuse any hard lines. You're just keeping it right in that inner corner. Fluffy brush. I'm using like a red eyeshadow just to keep it more potent right along where you applied the black, just in the perimeter, and a little bit into the crease. That same gel liner, I'm going in with a small angle brush and just applying a thin liner so it's nice and dark right by your lashes. And with this look, since it's so dark in the outer corner, you don't have to worry about making a perfect flick of the liner, because it's just gonna all dissipate. I already put my brows on, but since I applied the blush so high, I'm just gonna make sure that that tail of my brow isn't dilute. Curl your lash, a little bit of primer, mascara, I'm going to go in with Studio Fix powder and just apply under the eye, not really going onto all of the cheek that you just did, but just the perimeter of it. And that'll blend that out for you. I'm going to contour my lip. I'm going to mix a little bit from the same color that I used on my cheeks, but I don't want this to be too opaque or too matte, so I'm going to mix it in with this from ColourPop. It's called Blossom. It's a lip oil. I just mix that on the back of my hand. That makes it a little bit more wearable and keeps the focus more on the eyes. And that is the look inspired by David Bowie. Inspired by, it's not exactly, of course, the makeup that Pierre LaRoche did on him, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.